How you doing, YouTube? Right, we're back again for the stage 2 of the exhaust. Today we're going to do a sound test. So first things first, let's see if we can get it fired up. Let's get the door open, get the emissions out. This is going to be loud. Prepare yourself. She might not fire up straight away. So here we go. Well, as you can see, that was loud. That was nice. I'll do another one the weekend for you. That's just a quick clip of a sound test of a Suzuki Bandit Fat. Top exhaust, nice and loud and mean. Yeah, nice look at that look. Yeah, looking badass. And in the next video, we're going to fit this on the bike. Might even stubby it. Right, you enjoyed that. Catch you for the next one. Ride safe, rock hard, have a beer.